Say. Alright, hello and welcome back to a new video. Today, me and Lucky Lion make a trip together. We went already here, but my dumbass forgot to press record. So vai prima tu, sì. He told me go on to the right and slow. Am I recording? Yeah, this time I am. The second time is the charm. He wants to go a little bit slower now. I believe, guys, you saw the M1000R pure sound video already. Now this is the part where we descend. I didn't film how I got to Trento because, yeah, obviously I didn't. And yeah, we're going a little bit slow, so yeah. But the M1000R looks just nice. The back end, the rear end, I believe is 1-to-1 the same as on the SRR. So I put the microphone, the DJI Mic 2 under there, which was quite easy to do. And yeah, I gave him the DJI Action 4 as the camera to film. As you see right now, it's already filming. And yeah, that's about it. And thanks to all the people that tell me I need to keep a little bit more distance to the people in front of me. You are right, my friends. You are 100% right. But sometimes I don't notice that I'm riding so close, but you're objectively speaking right. I should keep more distance because if they break, if anything's there, I am the one who's going to pay for that. It's my life. You are not here to hate me. You're just here to mention that. So I'm grateful to everyone who writes stuff like that, like tips to ride. So thank you a lot, my friends. Now in this video I will switch a little bit between my perspective and his perspective. We have a decline of 15%. We have great weather, 22 degrees Celsius. Celsius, my friends. Right now my key is still here. I have half the tank, maybe a little bit more when the bike stands straight. And yeah, it's great weather to ride. Did your season already start? This video will probably come out in the mid of May, so, or even later. No, later than May. Guys, I know I have a lot of videos, so if you subscribe, don't wonder why, but you will probably get spam a little, so don't mind that, please. Wow, the road here is bad. I need to go into road mode for the softened suspension. Oh, way better. I love the dynamic suspension because for right now, if I go into race mode, the suspension is a little bit too stiff. But when I go into road mode, the suspension gets really soft. It's just amazing to have. If you're wondering whether you need the DDC on BMW bikes, I recommend to put it on. Of course, you don't 100% need it all the time, but it's nice to have. And right now we're actually looking for a photo spot to make some nice photos. And I hope you enjoy the M1000R, and maybe soon you'll get a similar view when I have S1000R, maybe. Let me know if you'd like to see the S1000R. Send me on the Discord how you would configure your S1000R. One realistic, like what you would actually pay for it, and one where if you would have the unlimited budget, how you would do the bike. So let me know both alternatives. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you noticed, but my foot on the right, did you see it? I cracked my protector thingy when I threw that stone on that one trip. I doesn't use cruise control. crazy people. There was a S1000R there, the last one, the black. I have to say the black is okay, but I don't understand somehow why the inside of the winglets need to be gray. Is there any special reason why the inside is gray? Because I personally like it more when it would be all black. But look at the scenery. Trento is a very beautiful place. Sadly, my camera didn't record because my dumbass forgot to press record. So now I believe I'm recording. Am I recording? Yep, I'm recording. Sadly, in these mirrors you don't see a lot, so I always need to take my time to see whether I'm recording or not. Bad road, bad road, bad road. And I stepped in a chewing gum. Oh shit, did you see that right now? And as I wanted to say, in Trento, I stepped onto a chewing gum, so when I did that, I didn't notice, and now I have a chewing gum on my foot pegs and on my shoe. Wow, I really hate the road here. It's really terrible riding like this. You need to find a crack you want to escape from, like shit. Yeah. A new fear unlocked, and yeah, check out the channel of Lucky Lion. I am sure he will be very pleased to hear it or hear your comments and your stories and everything. Please do that. I believe soon we are already down the hill. So soon, oh shit, bus, a Pullman. We met up with some friends right now, I guess. Two other homies, ride or die. My opinion that ride or die thing became a little bit cringe right now. Like, I don't feel that anymore. Let's see whether we surpass them or not. It all depends on his pace. I do not know the road, so better not to push it too much. I thought it was police right there. He told me he brakes first with the rear brake and only after he goes on with the front brake. I'm a little bit different. I go on with the front brake and stay on the front brake. How do you brake into corners? Oh, close one. Close one, my friend. What a shitty road. Shitty turn, sorry. Java. Wow. But the road is nice, I need to say. But I don't know it at all, so yeah, better not do anything too stupid. Let's see. Alright, we are already down. Alright, let's see what we gotta say. Oh. He wants to record a few videos, photos onto the turn there. Into the shadow. M1000R, M1000R. Which one you taking?